Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Back in one of our favorite drives in Macon, Cardiff Drive. Old customer of ours. We've been doing a lot of the painting and got him motivated about getting these old Atlas chalets out of here. We're going to be putting some Owens Corning Oakridges in estate gray to match the customer's garage. Not our preferred shingle, still a good shingle, but this was a special situation. Not a terribly difficult house. Around 55 squares. So we should have this wrapped up. Good chance we can get this today. Appreciate Yarborough Construction getting that dumpster out here. And that's it. So materials on the way. Guys are making great progress on the roof. We'll keep you posted with the progress. If we can help you out with any type of roofing work, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.